What up, everybody? We got another hella JDM ride, and my personal favorite. I bought about 6 of these already. This is a 1999 Honda SMX. Every so often, I bring a car that I'm gonna keep as my shop car because we do have a body shop, so we do a really good job of painting them. So my old one, the Honda Acti, sold, gonzo, not here anymore. This is gonna be the new shop car right here. It looked a lot better in the pictures, tell you the truth, but we're gonna fix that. So now that we have it here, a couple of things that we're gonna do to it. It looked a lot better in pictures, I'm not gonna lie, they always do. I think it's a 3.5. So we're gonna do the paint. I'm probably gonna keep it white because I don't wanna paint the door jambs or inside the door, inside the hood, stuff like that. We don't wanna paint a different color, it's a lot more work. So we're gonna keep it white, but we're gonna do something special to it though. I haven't decided yet, but I got something in mind. The wheels, I like the wheels, I might keep them. I got an extra set over there, we'll see. The interior, we're gonna keep it the same except for change the stereo. Because if you've ever bought a car from Japan, you know that the FM, for whatever reason, the FM stations are a lot different than here. We only get one station here and it's Christian radio. So we listen to Christian radio all day. It's been here for a few days. I just wanted to drive it, make sure everything was good before we even started. But now let's get started. Check it out. So this is peeling everywhere, the hood. It didn't look like that, but it is. It's all good. Bumper, there's no clear coat at all. There's some clear coat right here on one fender. That's pretty much it. Besides that, it's pretty dull. I mean, you might get a little shine if you buff it out, but we're gonna do the whole thing anyways. We're gonna replace the tires because they're cracked. I like the wheels, that's why I bought it. It's got a few minor scratches, minor dings, but I don't think it's ever been in an accident. It's not an R. That's gonna be for the outside pretty much. And then the inside, we're not gonna do a lot to it, but let me show you guys anyways. I bought about 6 of these already. They usually come with these, usually in orange, but this one happens to be red and black and not orange. That's the first time. I thought they all were in orange for some reason. The airbag's a little bit different than the other one. And also this one's orange. On the other ones, this is red. We're just gonna change the stereo on this one because it's pretty old. And this table, I don't know if it's gonna stay or if it has to go. I personally don't really like it, but we'll see. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to air it out because this thing smells like cigarettes. I don't know what these stains are. I don't want to know either. So it's been almost pretty much a day of work. Everything's sanded for the most part. We still got to do the roof. There was a few small dents, nothing crazy. There was a few small dents right there. We got to take out the back bumper. Master mechanic right here, master body shop, iCar certified. Right there. And what else? I think we got a couple over here, a couple of dings, nothing big though. So this is, like I said, 1 day worth of work. We ordered the paint already. We're still waiting on that. And now we got to do the roof and sand everything else. We got the SMX in the spray booth. It's getting ready to get painted. So we got to do cover pretty much everything, tape everything off, and we got the paint. Let's check it out. This is the boring stuff they don't show you on the TV shows, all the masking and stuff. Let's see what the paint looks like. So, like, what the hell? This is like nut. I don't think I ordered nut color. Let's look at it in the sun.
It says red approved, but I mean, it does give you kind of like a hint of red.
It's kind of hard to see. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So that's what the paint that we're gonna put on it. When the sun hits it, like sideways, a little bit like that, it's gonna look a little reddish because the interior is red. Hope we made the right decision. We almost forgot a step. We're sanding the headlights right now and the fog lights because we're gonna throw some clear on them, make it look all nice. Check it out. We're sanding them right now. Look at all that stuff that comes out, all that brown stuff. So the idea is you're gonna paint everything white, and then once you're gonna shoot the clear coat, you're gonna take off the covers off because we're gonna cover it with tape and then shoot it with the clear coat, and it should look like brand new. The first coat of base pearl is on. It looks a little red, not too much yet. We're gonna do, how many are we gonna do?
3 to 4.
3 to 4. Depending on what the finished product looks like, I guess. Huh?
You can't see them that much. Here, it's more meant to be seen on the sun.
So that's the first one right there. I'm pretty sure you could tell. I could tell at least here with my eyes. I don't know about on the phone, but we're gonna do 3 to 4. So let's do the second one. After a couple of hours, we're finally done. So after the base coat, we did 3 coats of the pearl, of the red pearl, and then 2 coats of the clear coat. And this is pretty much what it looks like right now. Looks pretty good, actually. We're gonna take it out of the sun a little bit because it looks different with the sunlight than the LED lights, but I'm pretty sure you can tell in here though. Where the light hits it, it's like a little hint of red. It's not like overdoing it. I think it came out pretty good. And then before we did the clear coat, we took off the paper off the headlights and the fog lights. Look at that. They look brand new. It's been a day already. We got the SMX out the paint booth. Now we just got to put it together. It shouldn't take about half a day, not a big deal. So we're gonna put it together, and then the next step is gonna do the maintenance. And it does need some maintenance, but no worries. I think we can get the parts here, so it should be fine. So now that the paint's done, let's focus on everything else. I'm gonna get new tires, already ordered them. And then over here under the hood, it's a little dusty. I just need to clean it off. But I did notice it's leaking though from the valve covers. So not really a problem because this is a B20 engine, same thing as a CRV, so let's replace it. All right, the parts just got here, check it out. Everything we got is for a 98 CRV. We got your spark plugs, air filter, oil filter. Then we got the valve cover too, like I said, because it's leaking. But the compressor though, strangely enough, is for a 2000 Honda Civic, but it has to be SI. I don't know why, but it has to be an SI. After our research, but we were able to get everything here in the US at AutoZone. So now the paints that we got in the lift, I think we should really fix the stuff before we paint them, but it's all good. All right, these tires are old. This one's still okay. This one is definitely not okay. So we're just gonna switch all of them. We got all the tires right here. We're gonna keep the wheels, it looks like. I kinda like them actually, they're growing on me. Now the thing is right here. This is the AC compressor. For whatever reason, it doesn't have a belt. I don't know why. Maybe it was seasoned, they just took it off. It looks like there's an oil leak around the pan, but upon a little further inspection, it looks like it's coming from all the way up there. I already switched the valve covers, so it might be just old, so we're gonna wash it off. And if there's still leaking oil, then we're gonna replace that. And then while we're down here, we're still gonna replace these motor mounts too, because that one is broken and that one is definitely cracked. So we should be able to get everything here. We already got the compressor, so let's put it on. It's a little windy, hopefully the audio's good, but this is pretty much what it looks like after washing it. Looks good, looks brand new. It might even look better than it did when it was brand new back in Japan. So I did end up switching the wheels though. We got the Rays, they're real. We bought them from Up Garage. I mean, I hope they're real. They got the stickers. So. Now let me show you the inside too. So now that I cleaned it up a little bit, I ended up keeping the little table because I took it off and there's just a big hole here. So I don't know. I don't like how it looked. It has a, is it a moonroof? It's not sliding. It just pops up and down, and then you can take this plastic thing off too. Right now, I did turn it into a bed like it's supposed to be used. Check it out. Check it out. All the activities you can do in this thing. And funny thing about this one, or all of them, is that the front doors are electric, but the rear one is manual. And if you're laying down, I guess you got little cup holders right here. And then you got storage to put, I don't know, whatever you might also need down there. Let me show you from a different point of view from the back. It's as flat as you could go. Honda SMX. MX. Should have been Honda SEX.